Let's be honest, some of us want to make money without having to work like crazy. And honestly, I don't blame you. Because waking up by 5 a.m. to grind all day without having time to read, not for me. So in today's video, I have come up with 5 lazy side hustles that you can start in 2025 that does not require you waking up by 5 a.m. or any of those policies, pyramid scheme, and no scams at all. Because if it doesn't work, I'm not going to bring it to you. The first one I'm going to be talking about is digital products. Yeah. One-time effort, continuous money. If that is not the laziest way to make money, I don't know. And if you've been on my channel for a while, you know how much I have been hammering on digital products. That's because a lot of people are now making millions just from one-time effort. Like, you just only need to like go all in, create that product, and then for every sale, you're not having to do the work again. It's just one-time effort and continuous money. As long as you're able to promote that digital products, you continue to make money. In case you're wondering what kind of digital products you can sell, you can sell Notion templates, you can sell budget planners, you can sell ebooks. Like on Etsy, on Gumroad, even Instagram has make it easy for you to sell any digital product. In fact, TikTok now, because a lot of people now have link in their bio. All you have to do is like promote that digital product as long as it's something that is going to be of value to people. And as long as you know what you're talking about, just take your time, create that digital product and do it once, continue to make money. Like, you're just going to be getting sales without having to do the work all over again. That's the laziest way I've seen people make money. I'm currently talking to myself because I don't care. You have too much sense to not have a digital product right now. There are a lot of things that I can teach people. I'm all about, oh my God, I'm not such an expert at this, so I'm just going to give it for free. And I see a lot of people charging money for it, and I'm like, what? What? So in 2025, you people should be expecting a digital product from me. There's so much in this brain that I want to teach. So the second one that I'm going to be talking about is voiceover. If all your life you have been getting, oh my God, you have such a sweet voice. My dear, you better monetize the F out of it. Voiceover work is a hidden gem. Like, it's something that you can do from the comfort of your home. You can even do it in pajamas. Nobody knows. Like, you just need to, hello, my name is... I wish I had such a nice voice. Although I do get compliments. Maybe if they need tiny voice, they can come to me. Anyway, but you can learn, you can render voiceover service on platforms like Fiverr, on Upwork, all those freelance platforms. They are always looking for voiceover artists. And if you know that you have such a fine voice, husky voice, sweet voice, and you know that you can talk about things in a way that the other person just wants to, even if they are not going to, if they don't plan to buy this stuff, once they hear your voice, they're like, oh my God, this voice is too sweet to let go. Please monetize it. Go and register on platforms like Fiverr, on Upwork, and just get paid to talk about things. Yeah, voiceover. Hidden gem right there. I wish I can do that, but I'm not so sure about my voice. So if you know you have sweet voice, it's not everybody that can do voiceover. You see that personally, I did not say that I want to start doing voiceover because where is the voice? Anyway, so the third on our list is selling AI generated designs. Yes, a lot of people are doing this, and you people don't know that that is what they are doing. People's going to use AI to generate a design, and you're going to print it on a t-shirt, and you guys are going to buy. Yeah, AI can generate a lot of designs for you, and platforms like Canva AI or Midjourney has really made it easy that you can generate anything as long as you have the vision, you're able to communicate it with AI. AI is going to bring that idea to life. And you can sell that design on platforms like Redbubble or Printify. Like, they'll be the ones like print it on t-shirt for you. You do not have to go through all of those manufacturing. Like, all your own, you just bring the design to them, they do the work for you, and you don't have to touch inventory yourself. You don't have to know what fabric they are going to use, or this certain dye is what they are going to use. You don't have to touch inventory at all. Your own is to generate the design, give it to Redbubble or Printify, and they're going to do the work for you, and you're going to get paid. It is passive income. It is one of the laziest ways to make money online. Yeah. So moving on to the fourth one. The fourth one is ChatGPT writing gigs. I know, right? Like there are a lot of people that are now using AI assisted writing. Like you can go on Fiverr and search for AI assisted writing gigs. And you guys, if you are somebody that is good with prompting AI, like AI can write something for you that it's going to be so good just because you are good at prompt engineering. What do they even call it? You can make lots of money. If you go on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, you see AI listed, AI writing gigs that you can opt for. You do not even have to be a professional writer. You just need to know how to communicate with ChatGPT. And that is another way to make passive income. All you have to do after AI has generated the writing for you is to like edit it, check it, and give it like a little bit of human touch, and you're good to go. You're a writer. Just ensure that what you are doing is AI assisted writing, because there are a lot of clients now that they don't even want to hear AI at all. They don't care. They don't want AI assisted. Just ensure that the listing that you're opting for is AI assisted writing gigs. And that is the laziest way to make money. So the fifth one I'm going to be talking about is watching videos and playing games. Yeah, you know a lot of gamers online. Now, they're not plenty on TikTok. Like, they're not just YouTube gamers anymore. They are now TikTok gamers. I know a lot of Nigerians that the only thing that they do on their TikTok is play games, and they are making banks. You guys, they are making... If that is not one of the laziest way to make money, I don't know what is. Like, imagine doing what you love. Like, you're just playing game, bouncing, and you're getting paid to do it. You guys, see, I was quite skeptical. Personally, I'm not somebody that likes games, so this will not be the route I follow if it's ever. But if you're somebody that you enjoy playing games, please consider being a gamer. You have TikTok already. Just start the gaming content on YouTube. You guys, they are making money, especially from live streaming. See, as much as I want to say that, oh, I love the hustle culture of making money. However, if I can go the route of lazy way, I want to do smart work in 2025 and not hard work. I've come to realize that it is not about the hard work, it's about smart work. In fact, it might be the laziest thing that is giving people money that you don't know. Like, you are just following the hard route. So in 2025, I don't want to work hard. I want to work smart. And if I can actually go the lazy route of making money and I'm going to make enough, then really that is the path I'm going to be taking. Because personally, I'm currently in the middle of creating a digital product. I have like 2 channels and I've been getting a lot of, oh, Aderonke, you need to teach a masterclass. I would like to be a YouTuber. How do you get paid? How do you make money? So I'm currently creating a course on that. You guys should watch out for that on this platform. So if there's somebody that is interested in being a YouTuber, I'm the right person for you, because your girl wants to YouTube channel, active channel, monetized. Yeah, it is easy. Do it. I'm just kidding. And if you want to book a one-on-one session with me about becoming a YouTuber, that will also be available very soon. We've come to the end of the video, and see you guys in my next. Bye.